Alright guys, so we're going to install the remote start in a Pathfinder. This thing pops right off. You can grab it down here and it'll pop right out. Pop off the cloth part, it just clips down in, and then you can have access to the cluster. So once you get the cloth unclipped, you can kind of see it here. You're going to have the button here and the button here. You're going to have a electrical connector over on the right side. So unclip that, come over here, you're gonna have another connector, unclip that, and then set this aside. Once you guys have the bezel removed, you now have access to the 3 screws that you need to pull the cluster out. There's one in the top middle, there's one in the bottom left corner, and another one over here that you can't see probably over in the bottom right corner. Once you guys have the 3 screws out, this is easily accessible. Just pull the bottom out. This whole thing comes loose. And there's an electrical connector right here on the top left and another one right here on the top right. Undo those and set this in the back seat. So we got the cluster out. Our BCM is right here, easily accessible. So go ahead and take the harness. Our T-harnesses, they all match up with colors. Plug them right in, and then we'll get to the programming. Once you have the full plug-and-play harness installed, you can now program the module. Grab the other end of the harness that has the couple connectors that go into the module. Go ahead and plug the red one in. There's a button on the module here. Push and hold it. Insert the blue connector, and you're going to see the light turn orange. There it goes. Let go of the button. It's going to turn solid red. So we're going to turn our ignition on by hitting the start-stop button 2 times. And we're waiting for that light to go solid green like it is, and off. And we're done.